Hello guys, and how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video with a new background. I'm so happy I got it. It's not 100% what I liked it, but I'm still working on it. We are in February 2020, so we're celebrating love. Today we're gonna review the Natasha Denona Love Glow Cheek Palette. I have it right here. Can we just stop a second and watch this beautiful glitter? Oh my god, this is so beautiful. It's a first impression. It's the first time I'm gonna use this palette. We're gonna do swatches. I'm gonna put them all on my cheeks. I can't wait to try it. I'm very excited. So before we go ahead and get started, please make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell to be notified when I'm gonna post new videos. I'm posting a video every week. Thank you for being here with me, and let's get started. Alright, so let's start with the packaging. The packaging looks so pretty. It's I don't know, what is this? Is it plastic or aluminum? I don't really get it. My cats are playing. This is like a noise made by them. So the packaging looks super pretty and it's like a good hand size. It's $55. Yes, very up there. It's one of the most expensive and high-end products at Sephora. You can also find it at beautylish.com and on Natasha Denona website. It's coming in this millennial pink, I will say, package with two types of glitter inside. This is a cruelty-free, made in Italy, and let's open it. So there you have it. It's coming with a mirror. Then I'm just gonna... It's coming with a nice size mirror and you can see... Hi! Hi! There are 4 shades inside. It has like a lid here that most of the Natasha Denona eyeshadow palettes have. You have a glow cream base, a super glow, diamond powder, and glow impact powder. The first shade, it's a rosy red with a metallic finish. The second shade, it's a peach pink with gold reflects with a duochrome finish. Then this is the diamond powder with hot pink with rose gold reflects and a duochrome finish. It looks very pretty and very glitterish like. And this is cool champagne with a metallic finish. So Natasha actually recommends to layer the powder shades on top of the cream base. I applied my base right now. I have powder on, not a lot of powder though. I just wanna, appreciate the fact that she put a lid here and powder products will not get into the cream product. So it's a well thought. I like these details. In the moment that I'm paying so much money for a cheek palette, I want the best of it. So let's get ahead and try this. I'm gonna first start to apply the glow cream base, and it feels very like, I don't know, Vaseline type, and it feels like it gets warm. Oh, that's quite pigmented actually. Ooh, okay. It's actually pigmented, but not crazy pigmented, it's like very subtle and very pretty, and it layers very well on my foundation and powder base. And I also have some bronzer here. That looks beautiful. That looks really pretty. I'm gonna use a little bit the beauty blender. We're gonna do the same on the other cheek. I feel like it's best to work it out with the hands, I don't really feel the need for a sponge, so don't worry if you don't have a sponge for this. It looks pretty. It looks really, I like that glossy effect. I am a fan actually of a radiant look. I don't really like a matte look on my face. I'm gonna take a blush brush, and this is the Luxie 514 blush brush, and I'm gonna dip into this shade, which looks very pretty. I think it's my favorite, and I'm gonna take this. I feel like it has a little fallout. So pretty. Yeah, That's definitely a pink blush. I can see the peachiness in it. It has like a gold reflect, but it looks really pretty, and I feel like it's not emphasizing the texture of my skin. Okay, let me just get this on my side too. Oh my god, I'm already so pink. I should have gone maybe a little bit more down with it. Guys, this is very pink. My problem with this, when I saw it, I just like feel like these two shades, they are just so bright that I was a little bit worried how it will look on a deeper complexion. And I don't know, I saw in picture that it looks pretty well, but I don't know, like in reality, if these shades will really look good on any skin tone, you know. I kind of have my doubts. When I saw it first time, I was like, okay, but this looks like more like highlighter. It's okay, Love Glow cheek palette, but I was kind of expecting something a little bit more matte, because these are like everything glimmer, glittery, shimmer. Like if you're going for a matte look, this is not really the look, but it looks so pretty, you guys, like really. I'm just trying to like blend it all like in my skin. I saw a video with Natasha Denona using this product, and she went like this: the base, the super glow, the impact powder, and then the diamond powder. I want to go first into the glow impact powder, which looks like a baked highlighter, and I'm gonna take my highlighter brush and I'm just gonna do this thing. And I have to say, I really like the baked highlighter. They really look special. They give it like this metallic finish. I was just thinking that Jaclyn Hill baked highlighters, they are also made in Italy, and they look like very good quality. Highlighters made in Italy, they're a thing now. The Italians, they know how to bake stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna apply this one on my cheek right here. Okay, Nasa, can you see me from the space? Really pretty. I'm not sure if this brush really is the best for this highlighter. Oh my god, I'm so glowing, you guys. I just want to mention that this product looked very good in reality, and I think it looks very good on camera too, which is very important. And I want to apply this under my brows. Okay, this baked highlighter, it's kind of like, I don't know, stiff. I don't know if that's the right thing to say. And if you're wondering what I have on my lips, it's Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. The last one, it's the diamond powder, and it has like a really beautiful dual chrome finish. I'm gonna take it, I think, on my finger. Look at that. Wow. Can I put it on my eye first? Wow. By the way, don't hold yourself in using these 3 products. I mean all 4 of them, why not? On your eyes, I don't see any problem with that. And now on my cheek. Okay, I like this. I think it's a little bit too much already on my cheek. It really has a beautiful sparkly sheen. It's very fine glitter, but it's still a glitter, you know. You can feel a little bit the texture. And I'm gonna put it right here and kind of like on my temples too. It feels very nice. I think it's really pretty, but it's not just my vibe. It's just not really my vibe, this one. Alright guys, so this is the final look, and I'm gonna apply the Fenty Sweet Mouth Gloss. And I'm gonna apply a little bit of the Super Glow on my eyelids, just to give it, ooh, this is pigmented. Why do I just go in like that? I'm again a pink, a pink nightmare. Somebody stop me, I'm going crazy here. Alright, so this is the final look using the Natasha Denona Love Glow Cheek Palette. I think it looks beautiful. I never had my cheeks so dewy, sparkly. I could have go a little bit less. I just use a little bit more to like kind of show what this palette is about. I think it's a really pretty palette. One thing that I would have liked to mention, I see the color is there. I don't know, maybe instead of this I would have put darker pink. When I look in the camera, I have this idea that my cheeks are, they have like oil on them. It's not like that. Like that blush, it's there, it doesn't come out, you know, and it looks so pretty in real life. I think Natasha did a great job with this blush cheek palette. I'm actually interested to go and try more of the cheek palettes. Let me know in the comment down below, how do you feel about this? I know it's a little bit up there in price, so you know, that's something that maybe will set some people off. Let me know in the comment down below, what are your thoughts? And I'm getting ready a Fenty makeup product review, so make sure you subscribe and ring the notification bell to be notified when I'm gonna post that. It should be somewhere next week. And I'm actually doing a giveaway. In this giveaway I included the Morphe eyeshadow palette in collaboration with Emmy Way and some other super cute and nice makeup products. Okay, to enter the giveaway you're gonna have to subscribe, ring the bell, leave a comment down below that you wanna enter the giveaway and maybe an opinion about this Love Glow cheek palette. And also you have to follow me on Instagram. I post a lot of things there too. Thank you very much for watching me. It means a lot to me, and see you next time. Bye! My cats are playing. This is like a noise made by them. Sorry if you hear it. Sorry, not sorry. They're my babies, okay? Can you just stop? How do you like my dress?